Hi, it's Alyssa, and if you are watching this video, that means that you got the Scentsy Air Purifier. I'm so excited for you, and I'm so excited for you because it's great for your family. Keeps your house clean, it keeps it fresh because you're gonna put a pod on top of it, and it's gonna keep everything healthy. So we're gonna unbox the air purifier together, and I'm gonna show you exactly all the steps to go through it so it's not confusing for you and that you are gonna enjoy it. Okay, obviously it came in a big box. It's probably got tons of paper around it, so let's go through all that. So it comes with the directions, of course, and then inside of here, this gorgeous thing. Let's take it out. It's heavy, which is good. I'm just gonna take the paper off. Okay, here it is in all its glory, and yours looks like this too. And of course it comes with the plug, and yours, just like mine, has this sticker on it. It's telling you that you have to remove the packaging but with the filter on it. So all it is you take this little handle, twist it, pop it open. It will come unlocked. You can hear the clicking, and this is just so that this doesn't get messed up. So you're gonna take out the filter from this packaging. Throw this away. You don't need that anymore. Put the filter back in there. You can see that this is a super strong fan. This filter is going to filter all the particulates out of the air. Now, I want to also point out that there's the lock symbol, the lock and unlock symbol right there. And you're going to put the little arrow, see the tiny little nub of an arrow, right next to it. So you're going to put it right there and lock it in. And instead of kind of like finding the way, you're just gonna, see, it just came unlocked. You're gonna pop that in there, lock it in, it's ready to go. Okay, now you wanna take the packaging with the plug source, the plugs right here. Here's this guy here. This is the front and the back. You're going to plug it in, of course, just like that. And then plug it in. And essentially it is ready to go. But if you want to keep your house clean and smell good, then you could do the pods. So before we start the pods, let's look at this whole source right here. So this little light will turn red when it's time to change out the filter. This is the power source. You turn on, this little white light will tell you that it's working. This little clock will tell you can either have this going all the time or set the timer to 2, 4, or 8 hours. And then at the bottom here in the middle, there is a low and a high setting for the fan. The fan's gonna get stronger, or you can make it go lower. And then if you don't want to see this light source, just touch that button and it turns off. If you're in an area where you don't like light, especially when you're sleeping, you don't have to have that on. Okay. I'm gonna turn that off so that it's not loud when I'm talking. Now, like I said, you can have this and have it ready to go, but if you want to have a Scentsy smell in your house, these little 2 slots here are for the pods. And here I have a pod problem here, so I've got all my pods here, and if you get 3, you could save money, so that's why I have 3. My favorite scent for pods are the Blue Grotto scent. Okay, so this just literally just sits in there. They just sit passively in there, turn that guy on, and it's ready to go. That's it. Okay, so let's talk about 2 things. When you have this on, this is going to be a white light. If the air purifier needs to purify your air because it has a bad scent in the air, something's wrong, they need to clean things, this will turn red. It will turn red to let you know it is cleaning something. It is filtering the air, it's getting rid of particulate matter, whatever. And so you know that it's working. Now, when this light turns on up here, that means it's time to change the filter. Now, depending on how long you run this for, on average, I would say maybe 3 months, you're gonna have to change out the filter. So when that turns on, again, you're gonna go over to your little guy, unlock it, pull this one out. It will be nasty, throw it away, and have a new filter ready to go. Now, I'm gonna suggest to you, only because I don't have a brain most of the time, you're gonna want to get these filters sent to you without thinking about it. How are you gonna do that, you ask? You are gonna do Scentsy Club. Scentsy Club with me, with everybody, with any Scentsy consultant, is completely free. There's no join, there's no dinging you if you wanna stop doing it for whatever reason, nothing like that. If you spend $30, the filter is $35. You're gonna save 10%. You can have it sent, anything that's consumable, pods, bars, fragrance flowers, anything like that, you can have sent to your house without having to order from me, either texting me or going on my website. It's completely easy to do. You set it up through my website. I will leave a link down here for the Scentsy Club. You add into your cart a filter and a couple pods. You can have it sent to your home once a month, twice a month. Once a month, every 2 months, or every 3 months. You don't want it twice, that's a lot. Once a month, once every 2 months, or once every 3 months. I would suggest getting the filter into your cart, setting the 3-month one, setting to get 3 of these every 3 months so that you can have them on hand, and then set it and forget it. It will come to you. You don't have to remember. This red light turns on. You're like, I don't have another filter. You already have it coming to you. Now, if you run this a lot and you realize it's gonna turn red in 2 months, then move it down to every 2 months having sent to your house. Super simple. Again, it doesn't cost money to join, even though it's a subscription. There's no money to join. You just have to put in your cart what you need. If you spend $60 or more, you still get 10% off, and you get anything that's consumable for half off. It's just a great deal. The other great deal with Scentsy Club is that you, when you sign up, will have your own code. If you have friends that want to do Scentsy Club as well, you give them that code and you get points for having someone join up, and then you get stuff for free too. Win-win. Now, this is not a plug for that at all, but if you wanted to get something for free, come on now, then that's a good way to get it. So thank you for purchasing and investing in the air purifier. I know that you're going to love it. After this tutorial, if you have more questions, please feel free to ask me. Otherwise, enjoy it. Enjoy the healthy benefits that's going to come to your home and the yummy scents that are going to go in there. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.